Meaning of incomprehensible.
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 Incomprehensible. The word incomprehensible refers to something that is impossible to understand or comprehend. It can be used to describe difficult or complex ideas, language, or situations that are beyond one's ability to comprehend. Incomprehensible can also refer to something that is unclear or vague, making it difficult to interpret or make sense of. When something is deemed incomprehensible, it often leaves the person feeling confused, frustrated, or bewildered. In summary, incomprehensible means something that cannot be understood or comprehended due to its complexity, obscurity, or vagueness.